Hi, my name is Libby Chancellor and I am the Mathematics PhD tutor here at Swansea University. At Swansea, our PhD courses really focus on subject specialism. We aim to develop research-informed reflective practitioners, and within maths we do this by focusing on math-specific pedagogies. Within our sessions we look at things like misconceptions in mathematics. What are the difficulties that children face when learning mathematics, and how can we support them in overcoming these? We look at relational understanding, how we help children learn mathematics and attune to those underlying mathematical structures. We look at things such as problem solving, rich tasks, investigations. We also link with the mathematics department here at Swansea University, and we look at cutting edge research both in mathematics and maths education. The PhD year is an exciting year, but it's also very challenging. We offer you a huge amount of support both here at the university and when you are out in schools. If you are looking for a rewarding career, you love mathematics and are ready for a challenge, then I'd be very happy to receive an application from you. My contact details can be found on the website, and if you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch. Thank you.